Hi guys. Greetings, we're back with another tutorial. This video aims to present the change detection of an area in the form of an image or an animation. Before getting started, subscribe to the channel and like the video. You can also ask your questions in the comments. Let's see how we can animate the change detection of an area. For this purpose, firstly we need to enter livingatlas.arcgis.com/wayback website. We've attached its link to the description of this video. You can copy or directly click on it to reach the website. After entering the website, we should specify a region. So using the available search bar on the up left side of the page, search for your area. Search for the city or country you want to detect its changes. We're going over the country of the United Arab Emirates. And go to a part of the city that has a lot of construction because we can detect its change as well. You can turn the label off or on. On the left side, on each date you hold the mouse, a small window will pop up that shows you the image of the same year. So, by changing the year, you can see the specified changes inside the window. Another method is to check the changes of toggle swipe mode. By selecting this option, you can compare two different dates. Here the changes are well defined. The constructions that have been created in this area are a good example of this. So, with the same method, you can see and check the changes for your city or country as well. Another method is to use the animation tool. So click on Toggle Animate Mode. By clicking on this option, wait a while for the animation to be created. Here the animation was created for us. You can slow down or speed up the animation. To download, click on the Download Animation option. On the right side of the page, it will show you the download options. On what basis and frame the video should be downloaded. You can choose your desired option. The desired animation was downloaded for us. Click on the video to play. Accordingly, you can create changes animation for any area.